Fire!
Hello teachers, we're down for our first song. Now we're going to our second song with the title of
God with us on the journey!
Always remember kung saan po nakakalagay ang ating mga kamay.
Ngayon po tayo po na idadako na sa ating introduction. Simple lang po ang ating introduction. Magja-jump lang po tayo in hop and clap. 1, 2, 3, go! Jump and clap and jump and clap. Jump and clap and jump and clap. Gagawin po natin yan ng 7 times. Ngayon po tayo po na dadako na sa ating chorus. Simple lang po ang ating chorus. Magja-jump lang po tayo ng 4 times. 1, 2, 3, go! Jump, jump and jump and jump. Make a way to the left, make a way to the center, and make a way to the right. Ulitin lang po natin yung jump. 1, 2, 3, go! Jump, jump and jump and jump. Make a way to the right, make a way to the center, and make a way to the left. Now we proceed in our next step. Simple lang po ang ating next step. Mag-discourage step lang po tayo. Like sad pace. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, and 4. Jump and pray and jump and pray. And mag-jump lang po tayo ng 4 times again. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we will turn around. And that's our introduction and chorus.
Now we're going to our verse 1 and verse 2. So we will use our both hands. Then we will put on our mouth. When we hear God speak, we will jump on the left side 2 times. 1, 2, right side 2 times. 1, 2, and the center 2 times. 1 and 2. So next, we put on our ears.
Ears.
Then jump ulit tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then para po nagbubuhat ng barbell.
Barbell.
So ganun po ulit, jump ulit. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Then after that po, we will point on the center.
Center.
And left side.
Left side.
Center and right side.
Right side.
Then we will form an X.
X.
Then we will up on each side 2 times. Go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then strong,
Strong.
strong,
Strong
then
and strong.
Then after that, give.
Give.
On the left side, give on the
Give.
right side. Then we will clap on the center 2 times. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2. Then after that, our left hands will stay here and our right hand will move round 3 times while we're shouting, way, yay, yay. 1, 2, 3, go. Way, yay, yay. So that's our verse 1. Now, we're going to our verse 2. So we will start on the right side. So when the mountain is high, we will make the mountain,
Mountain. Mountain. Mountain.
Then after that, make swim.
Swim. Swim and swim and swim.
Then slide.
Slide.
Slide. Then kembot po tayo 2 times. 1 and 2.
Kembot.
And point or our head.
Point.
Or our head.
Point.
Then peace. Then
Peace.
kembot po ulit. 1 and 2.
2.
Then after that, point on the center again.
Point.
And left side.
Point.
Center and
Point.
right side.
Right
Now,
side.
we will move an X.
X.
Then, after that, one time na lang po each side. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2. Then, strong.
Strong and strong.
Then, diretso po tayo sa ating clap on the center 2 times. 1 and 2. Then, ganun po ulit. Our left hand stay here. Then our right hand will make a round while we're shouting, way, yay, yay. 1, 2, 3, go. Way, yay, yay. That's our verse 1 and verse 2.
Ngayon po tayo na po idadako na sa ating outro. Simple na po ang ating outro. Mag-walk lang po tayo ng slowly. 1, 2, 3, go! Up, up, and down, down. Up, up, and down, down. Gagawin po natin yan ng 6 times. And tataas na po natin ating mga kamay. And down. That's our second song. Kaya naman, teacher, mukhang kaya-kaya na natin. Kaya naman, gawin natin with music. Jump and tap, jump and tap, and jump and tap, jump and tap, jump Mrs. Courage. Hop, hop. Jump and play, jump and play. Turn it around. Okay, very smooth. Three. Right. Circle. Uno. And dos. Strong. Way. Jump. 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 Turn around. Walk slowly. Up and down. Up and down.